My project question was if there will be different results and color if different fabrics are used, but the same dye is used. And my hypothesis is that the color, saturation, and brightness would change. I experimented with 3 trials, but I'm going to talk about how I did an experiment with one of the trials. So for my first experiment, I made the onion skin dye and poured an equal amount into 3 cups. Then I added 1 teaspoon of juice from the lime into each cup. After that, I put 1 egg into the first cup, 1 cotton pad in the second cup, and 1 cotton ball in the third cup. For the last part, I left the cups in a safe place with room temperature for 24 hours, and after that, I carefully took the fabrics out of the cups and put them on a paper towel. To end the experiment, I took a picture of the fabrics because or else it would slowly lose color. When making all 3 trials, 3 of each fabric would be needed. So 3 eggs, 3 cotton pads, and 3 cotton balls. 2 limes would be needed or maybe less. You don't have to use 9 cups. Just use 3 cups and then reuse them 2 more times. The results showed that the cotton pad and the cotton ball had a similar color, saturation, hue, and brightness, but the egg was a little bit more different, even though it was still similar. The saturation and brightness were different, so that proves my hypothesis, and the brightness had the most differences between the samples. So for my conclusion, my experiment showed that my hypothesis was correct and that the color does change with different fabrics even though you use the same dye.